Human beings have long been governed separately. Is it possible to realize a complete unity?
A complete unity involves interests of multiple groups. Sometimes, when I say humans should realize complete unity, my friends would jokingly reply, unless there were aliens invading, war is impossible. And I answer, yeah, you made a point here. As we all know, if we don't unite as whole and fight against the invaders together, we will be exterminated. It's the same situation we face now. If we don't unite and limit the development of scientific technology together, we will die out. The case of alien invaders looks much simpler and more straightforward. Without unity, or fighting together, we will be exterminated. We should do the same. In face of the unregulated development of scientific technology, but this calls for an in-depth consideration. Unlike the former straightforward case. So I urge people, it's high time we had an awakening move, so as to inform everyone around the world of this truth, especially to our elites. When everyone understands this, our elites in particular, possibly we will have complete unity.